the secret feature in nonprofit business no one told you about. Did you know there's a secret feature in nonprofit businesses that most people overlook? Well, today I'm going to share it with you. You won't believe how this one aspect can skyrocket your nonprofit's impact, funding, and sustainability, and it's something no one is talking about. The secret feature? It's the power of strategic partnerships. That's right. Nonprofits that tap into the right alliances aren't just surviving, they're thriving. Whether it's with corporations, influencers, or other nonprofits, building these partnerships is the hidden key to success. Many nonprofits focus only on donations and grants, but fail to tap into the power of partnerships. Because it takes time, effort, and a little creativity. But when done right, these partnerships provide more than just money. They bring in expertise, resources, and extended networks that can elevate your mission. So, how do you do it? First, identify potential partners that align with your values and mission. Reach out to local businesses, influencers, or even other nonprofits with complementary goals. Then, craft partnerships that go beyond financial support. Think joint events, content collaborations, or shared marketing efforts. The possibilities are endless. By partnering strategically, your nonprofit can unlock benefits like increased visibility, access to new funding channels, and long-term sustainability. And best of all, it's a mutually beneficial relationship, one that strengthens your community impact while building lasting collaborations. So, if you're running a nonprofit, it's time to start thinking beyond donations. Tap into the power of strategic partnerships and watch your organization soar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more insider tips on growing your nonprofit. Remember, success in nonprofit business is all about collaboration. See you in the next video.